Hi guys, join me to make porridge yam today. So today we are making porridge yam and I just want to show you how I made this delicious porridge yam. First off, I went in with my peeled yams into my pot, and when I'm done adding it, I added some water into it. Now the thing here is you don't want to add so much water into this yam except you love lots of porridge. But I tell you, the right amount of water is just the water that doesn't cross the yam so much, the water that doesn't cover up the whole yam. Then I'm going to go in with some onion. People of God, onion is very, very expensive now, but we have to make our food tasty with onions too. I'm going in with some crayfish too, some grinded crayfish, and then I'm going to be adding my pepper into this. Then I'll add in a little bit seasoning. I'm using Kitchen Glory and Spicy Tea for this Spicy Tea stew seasoning, and I'll be going in with some cubes, one chicken cube and Maggi Star. Yes, sir. And then salt to taste. I'm going to give this a good stir and cover it, allow it to cook for some time so the ingredients go into the yam. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back. I really appreciate your support. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more yummy juicy recipes. Now it's time to add in some red oil into this. You can see it is already giving, it's already looking so yum. And I tell you, this was one delicious recipe. So I'm going in with my vegetables now. The vegetables just makes everything so good. So I'm going to give this a stir it well, and you can see that the porridge has already formed. All you need to do is allow it for some time and then serve your yam. It is ready to be consumed. If you give this recipe a try, don't forget to tag me and tell me what you think about this recipe. How did it turn out? Was it nice? Did you enjoy it? Until next time, guys. Bye.